Hey YouTube, this is Boiling Films and we're going to show you how to make homemade firecrackers out of caps. What you'll need is a hammer, regular hammer, scissors, tape, 2 caps, you can get them at any dollar store, and then optional paper caps. First, what you're going to do is get a piece of tape, and then this is where the scissors are optional unless you can rip it. Now you set it down and you can cut or rip your caps. So I'll just get this down. Now you get your caps and you can either rip them or you can cut them. I find ripping them faster, but that's just me. Then what you do when you get each individual cap, you just put them on the tape, the white part facing down. Now you don't have to put it down, but it works better. Okay, 1 roll should be good. If you want it to be louder, you can put on 2 rolls. Now here comes where the optional paper caps are. You can get about 10. And then you just rip them and put them on. You don't need to rip them, you can just crumple it up and stick it on. And then what you do is you just start rolling it as tight as you can, because that'll make the louder bang. Okay, then you'll get this. Now what you want to do is get a piece of smaller tape and stick it right on the side. Just like that. It doesn't need to look perfect, you're just going to hit it on the ground. And you do the same thing with the other side. And there you go, that's your homemade firecracker out of caps. Now let's go do the testing. Now what you should do is you can wear safety goggles, except I got glasses, so I don't need them. So what you're going to do is just put it down, then you just hit it, and it should make a loud bang. And that's our video on how to make a homemade firecracker. Thank you.